Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review at Ozark Trails outdoor equipment. This one's the LED flashlight and headlamp combo. So you get two light sources for about the same price as one. So right here for the flashlight, let's see if I could get it to zoom in a little better. It's the FL1 standard 200 lumens. It's going to be about 4 hours and 15 minutes of a internal runtime for a continuous runtime. And then it's 105 meters that it goes out to. Not really sure how much that calculates into feet. Don't know why they don't have it like both, measured and non measured. Because, 105 meters, how much feet is that going to be? I don't know. I'm not going to be doing the math right now, but yeah. And over here it tells you about the headlamp. The headlamp's only going to be 50 lumens, so less lumens in the headlamp than the light. But you are going to get more hours in the headlamp than with the flashlight. Headlamp, you're going to be getting 15 hours versus 4 hours and 15 minutes. But the amount of light that it shines is, this one's going to shine up to 105 meters, while this one's going to shine up to 20 meters. So less light that gets spread into a surface area with this one, but more of a light time, but less brightness versus more brightness, less of a one time, more of a light surface area that the light's going to shine. And so that's cool is they give you 6 AAA batteries that are included. Most cars will be like, there's your flashlight, there's your headlamp, go and buy your own batteries. This one's like, nope, right out of the box. Light, batteries, everything, right in one box. So, pretty awesome. This side just says what we saw right here and here. This side says the same thing as this side. Bottom has nothing on there. Okay, now in the headlamp, there is 2 modes on here, I guess, okay? So the headlamp, on high, it has 50 lumens versus low or 11 lumens. High is going to be 50 lumens, 15 hours, 20 meters. Low is going to be 11 lumens, 91 hours, and only 9 meters. And the flashlight, yeah, it doesn't have anything to it. You can go to walmart.com, link down below in the description there. So let's go ahead and open it up and check this out. Now, I don't know if you can put this up on the camera here, but they are Duracell batteries. So it's not like a no-name Chinese not-off unfamiliar brand. They are 100% Duracell brand batteries that came straight out of this box, which is kind of nice. Because, some people say Duracell Energizer. I say, as long as the batteries are fully charged and the product works, I don't care. Because when it start out and you need a light, you need a light. Right? So with this, I'm guessing you just unscrew the back compartment like that and just line them up, according to the spring here. One goes up, one goes down, another one goes down. Pretty simple. It's this. Yes, it does adjust, so you do have adjustment, and it is a bit of an elastic right here. So there is that. I probably would need to adjust this for my head because it does seem a bit small. So, oops. Let's see. I don't know how much better I could get it, but to me it's kind of small. But you do crank this down like that, so you can put in different angles, up, down. That's gonna be your on and off button. As far as how the heck do you get the batteries in here? This one's actually a pretty good question. How the heck do you get the batteries in here? Okay, so you just pop this one forward. A little bit hard to pop it open. So let's see. Plus goes this way on this one. This one is a little bit hard to see where the batteries go because there's no little springs in there. I hope I got that right. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to turn off the lights. We're going to go ahead with the flashlight first. My, it is kind of bright, but let me turn off the lights so we can definitely see this stuff. So, wow, this is like, wow, super duper bright. I mean, like, I could see all the way to the other side of my basement. I mean, this is, wow, really bright. Let me go further down my basement just to see how far of light I could fall with this thing. Not that much. But I mean, it's still a good amount of light, really bright. Before I turn this one off, let me get this one turned on. So, this one's turned on. It's high. It doesn't really fit my head because, you know, I didn't really adjust it that much. So I'm just going to hold it in my hand. Definitely not that much light that gives off. I mean, it give off enough light where you can see in front of your feet, but to be honest with you, nah, not that much. And this is on high. So let me turn it down to low. And low almost looks like it's ready to die out. Like you almost need to replace the batteries with new, fresh batteries. Because I mean, woo, wow. I know low is going to give you a little bit more of a light source, but I mean, to be honest with you, low actually scares me. Because it does look like it's going to die out. Like, the batteries are going to be dead. Now, I guess low would be great for a soft light, you know. For what type of situation? Maybe if you want to do a little bit of weeding in your tent or something, and you don't want to wake people up with this super bright light, then, you know, low light situation, it would be enough light if you're going to weed a butt. Really. You know. Maybe, you know, if you went to an outhouse or you had to go and use a bush, you know, I want to talk about if you're camping or in one of those situations that you're like, yeah, I don't see no 7-Eleven West Stop here, so I see a bush. I hope that ain't poison ivy. I gotta go use it, you know. At nighttime, high light, but if you like Well, I don't want people to be like, oh hey, what's that light shining on there? That super bright light. Oh hey, you're using the bathroom behind the bars. Remember, don't wipe with the leaves of 3 or more. And you're like, just shut up and give me toilet paper, or just get out of here. Go back to your tent. You know what I mean? That's why I live at a low light, and then you can turn it off, which you're like, oh my god, in the dark, and then turn it back on. But yeah, I mean, the headlamp, I don't really see that much of a practical use for this one compared to the flashlight, but it is a nice little combo. So yeah, there has been the unboxing review of the. Let's get this camera to focus here. Get everything in there. There we go. The Ozark Trail outdoor equipment, LED flashlight, and headlamp combo. So don't forget to hit the notification bell, the like button, the subscribe button, and leave a comment down below in the description. And all links to the Walmart website down below in the description there. Just scroll down and check it out. Alright, thanks, bye.